What's the meaning of BBC One? BBC One. BBC One.
BBC One. BBC One. BBC One is a television channel owned and operated by the British Broadcasting Corporation, BBC. It is one of the oldest and most popular television channels in the United Kingdom, delivering a wide range of news, entertainment, and drama programming. The channel has a unique remit to provide programs that inform, educate, and entertain the public, making it a vital part of British culture. Some of the iconic shows on BBC One include Doctor Who, EastEnders, and Strictly Come Dancing. BBC One has been at the forefront of broadcasting in the UK for over 5 decades and continues to be a major force in the industry today.